guys, Melissa here from Farmhouse Chic. Sorry, I am trying to film this still without my tripod. So it's a little bit out of my element, so I'm trying to get a good angle. So what I'm going to do is just flip the camera around and show you what I found at a Salvation Army and a Goodwill haul. Two very small hauls, so I thought I'd just stick them together. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment in the link below, let me know what your favorite piece is, and we'll get on with the video. Okay guys, starting off, I found this really large jar. It is one of the great big ones. I mean, it's huge. I actually have one in my kitchen that I put all our snacks and treats in. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use this for my craft room to put stuff in. But these things are quite expensive. I want to say $10, $15 at Walmart. And I've already run it through the dishwasher. And I got it for $2.99. Mint condition. And then the other piece I found was this cast iron tray thing. I mean, it's a cast iron. You put it on top of hamburgers on the grill and you flatten them out, or bacon or anything like that. But it's very heavy, and it was cast iron, and it was $4.99. You can't see it wrote on here because I could barely see it, but it was $4.99. Right here, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. It's I got it for 99¢, and it come from TJ Maxx. They have the price marked down on it, so I don't know how much it originally was, but I thought that was really cute. It's just a little ceramic plate. It's got really good detail, like a doily, you know, in it. And then the other piece is this bedspread. I've already washed it and hung it on the side of the bed. It's just a quilt, actually. Wasn't sure what size it was, so I just kind of have it like at the bottom of the bed. Not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. And so yeah, this was like $2, $3. It was just a blanket price. So I got that. I thought it was very pretty. And that is all I got at the Goodwill yesterday. So then I took a Salvation Army trip. And I got this little kid's jacket. It's a little vest, actually. It says 14-16. But I got it for like $1. I'm not going to use it for a child's vest. I actually needed the fabric to make some little DIYs with. And I just started looking for clothing. So you got the front and the back. So I thought this would make a lot of little beards if I'm giving it away. So it's just fluffy and pretty. So that was $1 at the Salvation Army. Also, been a good time to find Easter stuff. I found these little candles, 10-inch Easter candles, because believe it or not, Easter will be here before we know it. And I think these were 50¢. Found this little white milk glass, and it was 99¢. And I want to say the day I went, green tag was 50% off. So this may have been 50¢, actually. But I like the little hobnail looking on it. That was real pretty. Found two pumpkins, $1.99. They're just like styrofoamy. They have cute little, nice, realistic looking stems on them. Good little size. And then this one is like oval. So that's the two of them together. And this one was $1.99. I may spray paint them and make them a white. But for right now, I'm pretty much done with my fall. I'm fixing to put up a fall home tour. So I may just save them for next year, or maybe just stick them somewhere. I found these little Rosebuds, which I thought would be good for DIYs for my shabby chic room. And they were 49¢. So I thought that was pretty cute, because it's 20 of them in here, 21-inch roses. Look like they may have been open, so there may be a few out less than 20, but still that's a good little size. And then found a couple more of these little hankies. This one. This little solid beige one. This is more of a runner than a hanky. Actually one of my favorites. It has the little pink trim around it, and it's also, and it feels like it's linen or 100% cotton. It feels like it's cool when you touch it, so it's really good fabric. So And I think all these were like $1/4 a piece, if I'm not mistaken. And the last thing I found was a piece of just material. Just pink material. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. If you watch the video that I put up today, I may cover those chairs with this. And then I'm not sure if I showed you this in the video yet or not, so I'm going to pop it in. But I found this little tea thing, and this whole set was $2.50. I believe it was $2.50. I keep everything and try to get everything filmed, and I can't remember if I put this in or not, so I wanted to pop it on in. This little set, it's a little tiny tea set. And then the little sugar dish. So if I've already showed it to you, sorry. If not, if so, enjoy it. But I want to say this was $2.50. I could be wrong. It was under $5. It wasn't very expensive for what you were getting. So that is the very small Salvation Army, Goodwill, and alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a very small haul, so I thought I would combine it all together. It was actually a Salvation Army haul, Goodwill, and then there's a little thrift store in the town I work in that goes to help battered women. So it's kind of like a safe space. So that's where the linens came from. The linens came from there, and everything else I told you where it come from, but I think I forgot to tell you about the linens. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I look a hot mess. We've been yard selling this morning, slipped out of the house really quick, so I had an extra minute to spare, so I wanted to get this video done so I could get this stuff popped away. I'm gonna flip